I remember vividly when Winfred Schaefer left the national football program after his tenure of marginalizing local players. When Tapper Whitmore took over for the umpteenth time, I remember saying at the time, I hope to God we don't go from one extreme to the other and back to the other extreme and back to the other extreme. As it relates to the foreign-born players representing Jamaica. And so said, so done. My worst fear is coming true. Since Schaefer's departure, not even one of the England-born players has represented Jamaica. And my information is that the JFF has not even reached out to the foreign-born players. It's almost like we're done with them and we cut them off. And don't tell me that because we got to the Gold Cup final with a team of local-born players and we're building a local core, all of a sudden, we don't need the experience and the professionalism of a Michael Hector or an Adrian Mariappa or Gareth McCleary, etc. It cannot be that we either packing up the team with the Englishman them or we keep malice with them. And I can bet you that when the World Cup qualifying starts and we get into a tight spot, that is the time we're going to charter a flight and try England out the team again. But we must be consistently pragmatic and smart about getting the right pieces in the right places at the right time to properly assemble this complex football puzzle. Again, the key word is balance.